Hello, little friends. I'm Professor Monkey. Today, we are going to learn some magical words that start with the letter B. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello, friends. Look what I have. Letter B is for ball. You are so smart. This is a ball. Can you say it with me? B for ball. This is a ball. Can you say it with me? Ball.
B is for banana.
B for banana.
B's for banana.
Okay, class, let's learn the letter B. B is for ball. Everyone say B.
B, 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 B. Let's learn the letter B with me. It makes the sound ba, ba, ba. Let's sing along. Tra-la-la. Little friends, someone is hiding very quietly in the big green bush. Shh. I only see some fuzzy brown ears. And it starts with the letter B. What is it?
Yes, it's a big cuddly bear. Say hello to Mr. Bear.
Boing, boing. And bang again. He gets gone. Boing, boing. Hey, he's this. Do up there. B's for buzz, ba, ba, buzz. That, we love Sir B. Look at the blue ball bouncing so high. Here comes the happy bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. With fluffy yellow and black fuzz. Buzz, 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 beep, beep. Beep, beep, let's go! We learned the letter B today. Beep, 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 hip, hip, hooray! This B and B for banana.